I'm Mia and I'll be explaining for question 2A, which states that under section 99 of the Income Tax Act 1967, Encik Muniyandi has the right to appeal against the Notice of Additional Assessment Form JA. He should use Form Q to lodge the appeal and prepare a document containing the detailed grounds of appeal stating that the reasons for his disagreement. Other than that, he also needs to prepare documents containing the issues to be tried, the date and amount of tax payable as stated in the Notice of Additional Assessment, and signature of the taxpayer or authorized person.
I'm Ashmira and I'm gonna continue question 2A. If the documents are not submitted together with Form Q, the Director General of Inland Revenue may request the submission of relevant supporting documents when reviewing the Form Q. In addition, the completed Form Q must be submitted to the Director General of Inland Revenue within 30 days from the date of the Notice of Additional Assessment, which was issued on 15 December 2025, and the deadline for submission is on 14 January 2026.
I'm Hasmira and now I'm going to explain the answer for question 2B. The legal avenue available under the Income Tax Act 1967 that allows Encik Muniyandi to apply for an extension is under Section 100 subsection 1 of the Income Tax Act 1967. You need to make a written application using Form N in 2 copies. Since we assume that he misses the official deadline to file his appeal due to being hospitalized, with the satisfaction from Director General of Inland Revenue, for any cost the appellant was prevented from giving Form N, but he needs to give Form CP 15A for the time extension under Section 100 subsection 2A of the Income Tax Act 1967.
Hi, I'm Miazala Natasha. So the answer for C is by deliberately hiding the RM30,000 consultancy fee in an offshore account, Encik Muniyandi was liable under Section 114 Sub 1 of the Income Tax Act 1967 for wrongful evasion, as Encik Muniyandi omitted income that should have been included in his tax return. He is guilty for wrongful tax evasion under this Act. He shall also be liable to a fine of not less than RM1,000 and not more than RM20,000 or to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years or both, and pay a special penalty of triple the amount of tax which has been undercharged in consequence of the offence, or which would have been undercharged in the offence had not been detected.